If you want to get rich, you need to understand this today. 99% of people never discover this rule, and that's exactly why they remain stuck in financial mediocrity. If you watch until the end, you'll understand what separates those who achieve wealth from those who spend their entire lives struggling to pay the bills. The truth is, everything you've been taught about money is wrong, and by the end of this video, you'll leave with a new perspective and a clear path to building wealth consistently. But before I reveal this golden rule, let me ask you, have you ever wondered why some people accumulate fortunes while others barely make ends meet? Why do some people make money work for them, while most never feel like they have enough? The problem isn't the lack of money, it's what you do with it. And what if I told you there's an invisible mistake, something deeply ingrained in most people's mindset, that prevents any real chance of getting rich? If you keep ignoring it, you might be doomed to live trapped in an endless cycle of work, bills, and frustration. The biggest financial trap that exists is the belief that getting rich simply means working more and saving. This belief leads millions of people to spend years of their lives chasing a salary increase, trying to save every penny, yet never actually building real wealth. Have you ever heard someone say, "If I made more money, all my problems would be solved"? This thought is dangerous because it ignores the fact that making more money without knowing how to use it correctly just keeps you stuck in the same cycle. Statistics show that 70% of lottery winners lose everything within a few years. How is that possible? Simple. They never understood the golden rule of wealth. Without this knowledge, no matter how much money you make, it will slip through your fingers. Most people think the key to getting rich is simply earning more. But the reality is that those who truly build wealth play an entirely different game. And that's what we're about to talk about. The golden rule of wealth is clear and non-negotiable. You need to stop trading time for money. As long as your only source of income is a paycheck that depends on your daily effort, you will always be limited by time. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. This means that, instead of selling your labor, your focus should be on creating assets, things that put money in your pocket, even when you're not working. Think about the millionaires and billionaires you know. None of them built wealth solely through a paycheck. They created businesses, invested in stocks and real estate, licensed products, or built systems that generate passive income. This is the secret that separates the rich from the poor. When you understand this, everything changes. But just knowing this rule isn't enough. What matters is how you apply it in real life. Let's look at real-world evidence. Warren Buffett built his fortune by investing in companies that made money for him without him needing to work in them. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos created businesses that kept growing even without their constant presence. But we don't have to go that far. Look around. Property owners who rent out apartments, content creators who make money from old videos, entrepreneurs who sell digital products every day without needing to do anything extra. They all understood the golden rule and created assets. Meanwhile, most people are still focused on working more hours to earn a little extra at the end of the month, not realizing they're trading their most valuable resource, time, for something that will never be enough. But now that you know this, the big question is, how do you apply this rule in your daily life? The first step to breaking out of the poverty cycle is changing your mindset. Stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an investor. This doesn't mean you need to quit your job tomorrow, but it does mean you need to start building something that works for you in the long run. The second step is to start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to invest or to create $1 million business overnight. You can begin by building a side income, learning about investments, creating a digital product, or monetizing something you already know how to do. The third step is eliminating limiting beliefs. If you think getting rich is just a matter of luck, or that only people who already have money can make more money, you're sabotaging yourself before you even start. Financial knowledge isn't taught in school, but it's accessible to anyone willing to learn. What separates those who get rich from those who continue struggling financially is the willingness to learn and apply that knowledge. Now that you understand the concept, let's dive into some strategies you can start implementing immediately. One of the best ways to create assets is through digital entrepreneurship. Today, anyone with a phone and internet connection can create something scalable, sell courses, open an e-commerce store, work with affiliate marketing, or even monetize content. Another option is investing in the financial market. Real estate funds, solid company stocks, and long-term investments are ways to make money work for you. If you like the idea of building passive income, create a digital product, a book, a course, an app. Think about this. What can you do today that will keep making you money in the future without requiring your constant effort? One of the biggest challenges people face is staying consistent. Many start with excitement, but give up because they don't see immediate results. Here's the secret. Wealth isn't built overnight, but through small, consistent actions over time. What separates those who truly get rich from those who just dream about it is the ability to persist, learn, and adapt. You might start earning just a little, but if you keep reinvesting, your passive income will grow. Think of a snowball. At first, the growth seems small, but over time, the results multiply. Another crucial point is avoiding financial traps. Many fall into the illusion that they need to make a lot of money before they can invest. But the reality is that those who spend more than they earn will never escape financial struggles. Before you accumulate wealth, you need to learn how to keep the money you already earn. Control your spending, eliminate unnecessary expenses, and use every dollar wisely to build assets. This isn't about living a miserable life, it's about using money intelligently to create financial freedom. Many people give up before they see results because they're surrounded by others who don't believe in change. If you want to get rich, you need to surround yourself with people who think like you. Read books about finance, follow people who have already achieved what you're aiming for, and learn from them. Your mindset will be shaped by the environment you're in. Now that you understand the golden rule of wealth, I want to challenge you. In the comments, tell me what your first step will be today to start building assets. Share your idea, because it might inspire others too. If this video made sense to you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Because here I teach you how to break free from financial mediocrity and build a future of freedom. The next step is in your hands. You can choose to stay where you are, or you can start applying this rule and transform your financial life. The decision is yours.